This is a 2004 Buick LeSabre. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Open up your driver's side door. You're going to see a latch right next to you where your left foot would go. Go ahead and grab it. Pop open the hood. Right above the grill, reach your hand in. You will see that there is a latch for you to grab with your thumb. That'll release the hood latching mechanism from the plate. Your radiator is located in the front right here, and the radiator fan. This is where you're going to fill up your radiator, and then your overflow tank is right here. Make sure that if you open this up that you feel it and it's cold. You do not want to open this when it's under pressure. It becomes under pressure when the engine heats up. If you try to open this when the engine is hot, this is going to spray out because it's under pressure. It's going to be very hot fluid. It's going to burn you. It's going to burn your eyes. It's going to burn your face. Be very careful. Make sure to feel. If this is cold, you're good to go. If not, let the engine and everything cool down. So go ahead and push down. It's kind of tough, but push down and twist. Counterclockwise, you'll get to about right here. You have to push down again. A little bit easier with two hands. I'm trying to do it with one though. Okay, and then you twist a little bit more. Notice the orientation of the arrow. This was upward and now it's here. I've gone 90 degrees and I'm going to go a little bit further, and that gets my cap off. I'm gonna go ahead and get a flashlight down in here to show you what it looks like. Okay, looking down into it, you should immediately see fluid. Right now, I can see all the way down into the radiator. You can see the coils and the little fins down in there. And this radiator appears to be about half full. There's some fluid. So I got a good 6 inches, 8 inches of no fluid. So I'm going to fill that back up. Now there's always a reason why your radiator fluid is low. You have to figure out what that reason is. There's a leak somewhere, a hose loose, there's a leak somewhere, a part broken. In my case, I know where it is. It's the heater core, it's dripping. So that's gonna be a job that I need to do. It's in this section. I'm gonna need to do that in a different video. But for now, I need to fill this up so that I don't have other larger issues. Next, you're gonna fill with proper fluid to the top. Drive the car around for a couple minutes to burp the system. Check and refill. Repeat this process as necessary. Good luck on your project. Thanks for watching.